This is day 1 of 365 days of style, where I will be wearing my worthiness all year long. And I'm starting off with an outfit that I actually haven't worn yet because I think I'm saving it for something fun. This is it. It's plaid, which we Minnesotans absolutely love, but it also has a dash of contemporary, which I personally love. I know ruffle can be really scary, ladies. I get it. You don't want to look like you are 7, and you also love the femininity of it, but you're just not sure how to quite pull it off, right? A ruffle sleeve, you can never go wrong. If you have a little bit of detail right here at the end, it actually moves with you. And I know that when we are trying things on in a dressing room, it kind of stands out a little bit. But once you start to wear it and own it, which is the key to fashion, my dears, then you realize that it's actually really like ethereal. It's really flowy and fun. And you get used to it, trust me. This particular piece, you can see that I have a ruffle down at the bottom of this tunic. So I am a pear, and so I carry more of my flesh, if you will, right here around the middle. So the ruffle has to be a little lower than this area, or else it's going to stand off of there and make it the proportions just a little bit off. Am I right? This particular tunic did come with a self-tie belt, meaning it's the same fabric as this. But every single time something comes with a self-tie belt, and I actually do want that item belted, I switch it out with a different belt that is a little more contemporary, a little more current when you go ahead and switch it up, instead of it looking like you just went ahead and put on the thing that came with the piece. It's an accessory that you can really have work for you if you know how to place your belts. Since I already had an accessory around the waist, I wanted to go a little more simple right up top with my jewels. So I chose my classic pearls. And yes, ladies, pearls are a good investment. They are classic, they're timeless. I know that your grandma might have a pair, and so you might be thinking, are they too old lady-ish for me to wear? Absolutely not. And you're gonna feel like you have this little touch of vintage vibe that's really, really fun. For the pant on this one, I went tone on tone. And with the shoe, I also went very neutral with these little black shoeties. Yes, I said shoeties. So shoeties are a bootie, but they're a shoe. They're a little lower, and you can definitely wear them all winter long. You can even show a little bit of skin right in between the pant and the shoe, or you can go ahead and put a sock in between as well. So this is the type of outfit that I feel completely put together with. The accessories all came together. The tone on tone really helps to make this look cohesive. Adding a little boot on the bottom is a perfect little touch. And I think it's a great way to go ahead and start off my 365 days of style.